In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a personal task list in monday.com. First, open monday.com and sign into your account. Once you're in, make sure you're in the correct workspace where you want your personal board to live. This helps keep everything organized and easy to find later. Next, look to the left side of the screen and click the plus icon. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a small plus or an add button. From the options that appear, choose board. This ensures you're creating a full board for managing tasks, not a doc or a dashboard. Now select new board. You'll see options to use templates, but we're going to start fresh so you have full control. In the board name field, type My Personal Task List. Clear names make it easier to search and recognize your board, especially if you create more boards in the future. Set the board's privacy to private. This keeps your task list for your eyes only, which is perfect for personal planning. If you ever want to share it later, you can change the privacy settings, but starting private keeps things simple and focused. Choose task as the board type or template style. This option gives you a great starting structure, typically including columns like status, due date, and owner. It's ideal for personal to-dos because it balances simplicity with the essentials you need to track progress. When you're ready, click Create Board. Your board is created, so let's customize it to fit how you work. Rename the default groups to something meaningful like today, this week, later, and completed. Group names act like sections, making it easy to prioritize at a glance. Review the columns across the top. Keep status to mark progress, and make sure there's a date column for due dates. If there's a people or owner column, assign yourself so your tasks always show up in your personal views. Consider adding a priority column if you like ranking tasks as high, medium, or low, and reorder columns by dragging them so the ones you use most are front and center. Add your tasks as items, one per row. Keep task names action-oriented like write project summary or schedule dentist appointment. Click into a task to add notes or links in the updates section if you need more context. Use the status labels consistently, set realistic due dates, and move tasks between groups as your priorities shift. With this setup, you'll have a clear, private, and flexible personal task list that keeps you focused and on track.